Hey everybody, today I'm working on an 11 by 14 canvas and I will be experimenting with glow-in-the-dark paint. This is just Craftsmart glow-in-the-dark paint my husband found and he thought it would be cool, so I'm gonna give it a try. So I've got that mixed up right here, and then the colors that I'm gonna be using I've got right here. I've got this is Violet from the Fine Touch. This one, I think these are all from the Fine Touch. This one is Teal. And then I've got Yellow Medium. And then this one is just pink. All my colors except for the glow-in-the-dark one has 3-in-1 silicone added. And I've mixed all of my colors with Liquitex pouring medium. So my plan is to do a swipe with wet paper towel, and I tend to have little issues with swiping in general, so I'm just gonna wing it, and that's that. So here we go. So there it is, and I love it. So now I'm going to wait till it dries, and then I will show it to you in the dark, all dry. Alright, there it is. You can definitely see where I poured the paint down, the glow-in-the-dark paint. That's definitely visible. The top part, of course, you can see a couple fractals right there. That's kind of cool. I wish it would have highlighted the cells down in the bottom here, but obviously you can't see anything. It's completely black. So I will keep experimenting with this, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out the links in my description, and have a great day.